6. So if you shoot that one in the center of the reticle, the first target, and then you add 0.4 mils to shoot the second one, you're coming up almost to that middle hash mark between the 0 and the 1 on the vertical line. You understand what I'm saying?
Yep.
So let's try that. We'll try shooting the first one dialed, and then the second one will be a hold.
Okay.
So I'll give you impact if there's an impact. Otherwise, I'll give you a correction, and you make the correction.
Okay.
And then if we get an impact, we'll go right to the next one. Stand by. Tracking? I know that was a lot of verbal diarrhea.
I got you.
A lot of stuff, I know. I'm way out of focus, hold on. If I could just get my Amazon tripod head to steady out. All right, spotters up, first target. Impact, add 0.4 and shift right. Diamond, hold center. So you're coming underneath, almost to the middle hash mark, which is 0.5.
So I want the middle hash mark on the center.
Underneath the center, yeah. The bottom vertical line. Impact, right, just offset of right, or just right offset of center.